Another issue in price weighted index is whenever there is stock split announcement or stock dividend announcement, we need to adjust the divisor of price weighted index. Let's understand why we need to adjust the divisor of price weighted index with the help of simple example of stock split. Price weighted index include 4 stock A, B, C and D. Stock B issues a 4-for-1 stock split. Now you can read this 4-for-1 stock split as stock split ratio 1:4. This means for every 1 share before split, shareholder will have 4 shares after split of stock B. Before split, share price of stock B is 80, index value before split is 60. Now let's first calculate what will be the share price of stock B after split, and this we have learned in our stock split video. To calculate price of stock B after split, we need to take price of stock B before split into stock split ratio, and this will give you the answer of 20. So price after split for stock B will be 20. Now as you can see, price before split was 80, price after split is 20. So this change in value of stock B is not because of market forces, it is the effect of stock split adjustment. So change in price of stock B is not because of market forces, it is because of adjustment for stock split. So to reflect this fact that stock value really have not changed, the index divisor must be adjusted. In our stock split video, we have discussed that market cap before split and after split do not change. If market cap of B do not change, index value also should not change. So if index is having a value of 60 before split, index should retain the same value of 60 after split. And how we will get index value of 60 after split? Only when we will change the divisor. If we do not change the divisor, before split divisor is 4 and after split we are not changing the divisor, let's say we are keeping same divisor, index value will fall from 60 to 45. Hence we need to change the divisor, we need to find out the new divisor. And how we can find out the new divisor? We can find out the new divisor as sum of stock prices divided by index value. So sum of stock prices is 180, index value is 60, so 180 upon 60 will give you new divisor of 3. Another issue in price weighted index is price weighted indices suffer from downward bias. Companies that split their stock are typically those that have witnessed substantial increase in their stock prices. As their stock prices fall, to adjust for split, their weight in the index also fall. So these are the 3 different issues in price weighted index. From your exam point of view, these 3 points are highly testable.